Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Awin publisher account login, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Awin website. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated email field. Next, input your password into the password field. Ensure that you have entered both your email and password correctly. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password if necessary. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your Awin dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your email and password for accuracy. In case of persistent login issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can also try logging in from a different browser or device. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore various options available, such as reports, links, and settings. Remember to log out securely when finished by clicking on your profile icon. This ensures your account remains safe and secure. Now you are ready to start using your Awin publisher account efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.